Hello everyone, I am Shinobi and welcome to my new channel where I talk about tech, hence it's called Shinobi Talks Tech. Yeah, that's right. So, I've got a fresh new home screen setup for you all, and this is slightly based on an anime called My Hero Academia or Boku no Hero Academia. You can know it with either of these names. So yeah, in this particular setup, this is a minimal kind of Nova home screen setup. So I have used Nova launcher for this. And yeah, we have a set of icons here, a very good wallpaper and a minimal widget. So without any further ado, hit that like button, definitely subscribe, and yeah, let's hit that intro. First things first, let's talk about whatever we have on the home screen. So this home screen is basically like inspired from the wallpaper. So I got this wallpaper from an app called Emulate Pics. This wallpaper has Deku, the protagonist of the anime My Hero Academia, and yeah, this is a green and black wallpaper, so it's gonna look absolutely amazing on AMOLED displays. We have the wallpaper as the center of the attraction, and at the bottom we have a few sets of icons which are from the icon pack called Delta. Yeah, so this icon pack is a really good one. It has over 4000 icons here, and yeah, these are a flat kind of icons with a somewhat desaturated colors, and they look really cool on a dark or black background. And this app also has a lot of good wallpapers, so you can also use them. At the top, as you can see, we have a widget. So this is a widget from the KWGT pack called Vanilla, and the widget number is 059. So what you need to do in order to get this exact setup, so I have put a Nova backup file down in the descriptions. Just go there, hit that link and download the backup file. Then just install Nova launcher on your phone. Long press on the home screen, go to settings and just click on backup and import that particular backup file. So you will get the same grid layouts and stuff that I have on my phone. So I'm using the S20 Plus as a reference because the screen looks absolutely amazing here. And yeah, after that, just download the respective wallpaper. So you can download it from the Emulate Pics apps, or I will leave a direct download link in the description, so you can download it from there also. And also I'll leave the links for both these apps, so for the Vanilla for KWGT and also the icon pack. So go ahead and download it, and make sure to download KWGT widget maker for this setup too. So with all those here, just set it up according to your need. One small thing is that in the widget I have changed the color of the leaf to green in order to match the wallpaper. It was some other color before, so make sure to do that. And yeah, that's it. That's basically the setup, and yeah, it looks very clean, very minimal and very sick, to be honest. So if you like this video, this is my very first video on this channel, and yeah, if you liked it, then hit that big fat thumbs up button, and also share this video with all your Android customization enthusiasts. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because that's very important, as I'm just starting out with this channel. With that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.